Welcome, traders. Today, we're delving into a powerful trading strategy that has the potential to yield consistent profits in the Nifty and Banknifty markets. Known as the golden crossover, this strategy involves the convergence of three key exponential moving averages, the 20-day, 50-day, and 200-day EMAs. By applying these EMAs on the daily chart, we can identify opportune moments to enter and exit trades. Let's walk through a trade scenario using this strategy. As the 20-day EMA crosses above the 50-day and 200-day EMAs, signaling a golden crossover, we look for confirmation in the form of a bullish candlestick pattern. Once confirmed, we enter the trade at the high of that candlestick. To manage risk, we place our stop loss below the 50-day EMA and trail it using the 20-day EMA. This strategy allows traders to capture significant profits, as demonstrated by backtesting historical data. By meticulously analyzing past performance, we can optimize our trading strategy for maximum profitability. In conclusion, the golden crossover strategy offers traders a systematic approach to capitalize on market trends in Nifty and Banknifty trading. Remember, patience and discipline are key to success in the dynamic world of trading. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and trading strategies. Happy trading!